Does your pet sometimes smell between its bath times? I can show you how to make a Pet Coat Deodorizer with only using 4 ingredients. That way he can smell good all the time. Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations.
Hello friends, today I'm going to be doing another DIY pet product. Today I'm going to be doing Pet Deodorizer, and this is for the pet's coat. Sometimes they pick up the smells from outside. Dogs that's got a lot of wrinkles and stuff, all of the bacteria, germ smells are in the folds of their wrinkles. And this is a good way to keep them smelling fresh and clean between baths. So let's get started, shall we? And this is a very easy and quick recipe. So the first thing you need is 16-ounce spray bottle. I don't have a 16-ounce spray bottle, I have a 32-ounce, so I'm going to just double the recipe. And you'll need 2 cups distilled water, so therefore I'm going to be using 4 cups distilled water. 2 tablespoons glycerin, so therefore I'll be using 4 tablespoons glycerin. And glycerin adds moisture to the dog's fur and acts as a leave-in conditioner. 1 tablespoon fractionated coconut oil, so therefore I'll be using 2 tablespoons fractionated coconut oil. And fractionated coconut oil adds shine and conditioning, leaving it feeling silky smooth between the baths. And then we'll be using essential oils. Essential oils deodorizes the pets naturally. And I'm going to be using lavender and sweet orange because those are non-toxic to dogs. So if you want to use different types of essential oils, please check and find out which ones are safe for your dogs. Essential oils are not recommended for cats. So 15 drops of lavender, so therefore I'll be using 30 drops of lavender. And lavender has calming properties to keep your pet calm. And then 15 drops of sweet orange, so therefore I'll be using 30 drops of sweet orange. And sweet orange cleanses and purifies. If you have a 16-ounce spray bottle, it calls for 2 cups distilled water. They didn't take in consideration of all the other ingredients. So if you put in the full 2 cups plus the other ingredients, it's going to overflow. So instead of 2 cups, do 1 3/4 cup of water, and then that should give you plenty of room for the other ingredients. If you're doing 32 ounces instead of the 4 cups, do 3.5 cups. So 16-ounce bottle, 1 3/4 cups water, 32-ounce bottle, 3.5. So I will be doing 3.5. Okay, so that's 3.5. Then 2 tablespoons glycerin if it's 16-ounce bottle, 4 tablespoons glycerin if it's a 32-ounce bottle. So I will be using the 4 tablespoons. One tablespoon fractionated coconut oil if using a 16-ounce bottle, 2 tablespoons if you are using a 32-ounce bottle, and it brings it up about here. So that's going to be about right. So if you have a 16-ounce bottle, you want to put in 15 drops of lavender. If you have a 32-ounce bottle, do 30. And if you have a 16-ounce bottle, 15 drops of sweet orange. If you have a 32-ounce bottle, 30 drops of sweet orange. Oh, that orange smells really good. And then you go ahead, put your lid on, and just shake it up to mix it thoroughly. All right, so here is the finished product. Before you use it, always make sure that you shake it up to get it thoroughly combined. And what you do is you will spritz it on the dog's coat, and then you comb through and allow it to dry. Do not spray on the dog's face. Shelf life is 9 months if it's stored in a cool, dry place. And if it gets separated, just make sure that you shake it up. Being as there's water and oil in there, it will separate all the time. And I'll go ahead and show you how we do that on my dog. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and spray his coat. This is like a leave-in conditioner. So you spray it and then you just comb it through so it gets spread, and it will smell good. He'll smell nice and fresh in between his baths. You want to make sure you don't get it near his face, because that wouldn't be good. And Basset Hounds and Shar-Peis, those type of dogs, do have a lot of folds that collect the bacteria. So what you want to do is make sure you get those. Well, he's not standing the correct way that I can show you, so I'll do the top of his head. Yeah. And this also get all of his loose hairs too, so it's a 2-for-1. And then you want to go ahead and spray the folds, and go ahead and get that as well. So you can do this whenever he starts to smell stinky, but it's mainly just for in between the baths. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell to get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Okay, you can go check it out. You can go check them out. We're done. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, you're such a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.